Hey YouTubers, Jason here. Another unboxing for you. This is an Evike box of Awesomeness non-M4 edition. The box weighed in at 14.9 pounds. So I know it's not, well, I know not a couple of them. The only one that I'm worried about is that this might be a scar. I'm hoping not because, well, if you've seen my video, I got a scar in the last mystery box. So, figure I'd try with one of the new knives that I made. Maybe get some good luck from this. Hopefully it's a Chris, but I don't think so. Alright, get to it. Really hoping it was going to be anything but a scar. Anything but a scar. First off, I see the blue bag. Fun. Alright. Blue mohawk. My Angel Custom A-chop spacers I ordered. Alright, big box time. Oh, it's upside down. What could it be? Holy sh! It is the top prize. The $800 Halo Alien Airsoft Rifle. Now that's a good box. Oh mama, this thing is, oh my god, this is badass. Holy crap. So I got this bad boy for 150 bucks. It's got built-in light. It's got BB counter, box type mag. Doesn't look like a very high cap mag, but wow, this thing is pretty sweet. But I do believe I'll be putting it on eBay because I am not going to be running around with an $800 rifle. Gotta say, it's pretty slick. Let's see, I'm guessing that's for the light. Wow, this thing is, this gun's heavy. Pretty slick. I was worried it was going to be the Chris, or I was worried that it was going to be the scar, but this is definitely not the scar. So, pretty sweet gun. I will be putting it on eBay because I will not be running around with this thing. So, hope you enjoyed it. Alright, I gotta say, this gun is pretty badass. It's got a proprietary mag. It's got your flashlight here with your on-offs. It's got your counter here. How many BBs you got in the chamber. LED lights here, here, the other side. This thing's pretty tricked out. So if you're interested, check out eBay. That's where it's going to be. Have a good one.